All right, everybody, welcome back. James here with you again, and we are at Double G Gun Shop and Archery. We are testing out some 300 blackout loads, and we found some pretty crazy results. I was shooting my CBC Industries 300 blackout with the 1 and 8 twist Socom contour barrel, and then we had another AR-15 300 blackout, which is the owner's, shoot some rounds with us today. And we wanted to see, test out some of the most famous 300 blackout cartridges. Out here on the market, some of the most famous we have is the Sauer Elite Performance ammunition, which is a 120 grain hollow tip. Very expensive stuff. I mean, this got $24.50 on it for a box of 20. Supposedly premium grade ammo. Next in line, we have the Hornady Black, which I believe this just hit the market not too long ago. It's 110 grain VMAX, $22.50 on this box. So pretty much you can get this stuff about that price just about anywhere, maybe more, maybe less. Next we have in line is the Remington 120 open tip flat base supersonic bullet, $17.50, which that's about the going rate of these for 20 a box. You might find them a little more, a little less, depending on your area. And keynote about this stuff, I actually sighted my CBC Industries upper end with these when I first got it last year. So I had some good luck with this stuff. So to start out, we shot both these guns. Like I said, mine's a CBC Industries 1 and 8 twist Socom contour, and this is a Primary Arms or Palmetto State Armory, sorry, get those mixed up, 1 and 8 twist barrel Socom. And we started at 25 yards, and I shot mine off camera, but the Palmetto State Armory one, we wanted to see how well these two guns compared to each other, and like I said, run some ammo tests. And so we had a target at 25 yards. That key hold. Now, we'll start with the Sig Sauer. At 25 yards, this is 2 shots. That is the actual keyhole at 25 yards. That's not very good for premium ammunition. Next in line, we have the Hornady Black. That's not very good either. Both of these groups can be beat by a 22 at 25 yards. That's pretty sad for as much as that stuff cost. Next we have a 2-shot group of the Remington 120 open tip flat base. Like I said, I've had really good luck with this stuff, and that's exactly the same hole. You can barely tell there's another shot in there. So that's 25 yards. So we moved on out to 100 yards because we wanted to do something special for you guys. In this video we did some accuracy tests. We did velocity to see if the box stated whether or not it's true or not, or we're going to get less. And then also we shot in the ballistic block with the best performer. So, like I said, to start off with the SIG Performance Elite. Jesus, that's the worst one. Like almost a 6-inch group. There's one right in the middle of the target and the two on the outside. I wouldn't be buying that anymore. This is at 100 yards, and these are 6-inch targets. So I know I'm not that bad of a shot, and that is an actual keyhole. So that tells me that these bullets didn't stabilize very well. So that's pretty much a 3-inch group, maybe more. So next we move to the Hornady Black, which is the 110 VMAX. About a 2-inch group.
2-inch?
Yeah, might be just too fast for this barrel. That's about a 2-inch group at 100 yards, which that's pretty decent, but it's still not MOA. Then now we move down to the Remington. Pretty accurate, like 1 inch, and there's two in the same hole.
That's what I found, just with what I played. I couldn't find a better bullet.
Check it out. You can barely see it. The top one, or it's the middle target, but the top group, that's the same hole.
Oh yeah. See, that wins me over the speed.
Right. Now that's what I'm talking about. 2 shots right there and another shot right there. So maybe I could have pulled that one a little bit. These would have been all bunched up, but still under 1 inch even with the flyer. That's pretty crazy for the cheapest of the cheap ammo. And just to elaborate on that, this ammo isn't even manufactured by Remington. It's made by Barnes. So I don't know if you guys can see that head stamp there, but it's got Barnes stamped right on the back of the case there, and I'm pretty sure, you know, if the casing is Barnes, that these bullets are Barnes 120s. So out of all of it, these bullets perform the same. These perform better than actually the rest of these, which cost the most. So, as I stated, we did a ballistic test here. Check out the block. Now the block is upside down, but so the entry hole is right here. A little small entry hole, but it actually starts to open up about 3 inches into the cavity. Now granted, there's no bone or anything, tissue. It's supposed to replicate tissue, but no skin or anything like that. And then it just dispersed inside there. Pretty crazy stuff for a little open tip mass grade bullet, and it spread about 3 inches wide. That's the actual wound chain of the bullet. It opened up a case length. So as I stated, the velocity of these, we gained actually we shot about 100 FPS more than what the box stated. Now I'll show in the ratings at the end of the video, but and then this box is unmarked, so I don't know exactly what the velocity is of it, but when we shot, we were getting around 2200. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the shooting scenes. Both of these guns performed well with the Remington, so I highly recommend the Remington for a 1 8 twist, and it's the cheapest, so you can't really lose out much money compared to buying 2 or 3 boxes of the SIG. You can buy almost 4 to 5 boxes of this stuff. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate Double G for sponsoring the video with the ammo, and they let us shoot here beside the shop, so that's a big plus. So come check them out. They're a full functioning gun shop and an archery shop. They can do just about anything besides, you know, the heavy duty stuff that regular gunsmiths can do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more from us. Appreciate it. We'll see you later.